Hi students, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I am going to continue C data types. Previous video I discussed about primary data types, derived data types. So primary data types means integer, float, character, void, and second type of data types are derived data types. In this I discussed about arrays, pointers and functions. So these two types I covered in the previous video. In this video, I am concentrating on user defined data types. Okay, so here there are four types of user defined data types. So structures, unions, typedef and enum. So these are the four categories are there in the user defined data types. Okay, first I'll discuss one by one. Structure is a collection of variables of different data types grouped together under a single name. So the members are stored in adjacent memory locations. So structure can hold integer, character, float, string. Okay, no? Generally, so integer stores only integer value, character stores only character value. Similarly, float stores only float value, but string nothing array of characters. No, so but structure stores all these values together. Okay, now that I'll discuss in this, and that variable stores the memory will be allocated adjacent memory locations. I'll discuss. So structure is a collection of variables, different data types already discussed. No, right? Next, this is a sample program about the structure. Right? This is a structure. So structure is a keyword I'm using here. Structure is a keyword, right? And structure name student is a structure name here. And here, so structure can hold multiple data types, right? So integer is one data type, character is one data type, float is one data type, right? And array of characters nothing but a string. It is another string data type. Okay, na? So is all these, right? All these different data types are combined together under a single name is called structure. Okay, na? Structure name. So this is about a structure definition. Okay, so it stores memory, right? So already declaring right, integer, character, float and string, right? So these variables, id is a variable, grade is a variable, marks is a variable, name is array name. Okay, na? So for example, my id is 502. Okay, na? Just a second. Right, for example, so structure stores memory in continuous memory location, adjacent memory. This is adjacent memory location. Here my id is 502. For example, my grade is a grade. For example, marks 30 300 marks. For example, I'm writing, so I declare the float. No, for example, 90.99. This is a float, sorry. And string nothing but my name is Govind. Okay, na? Like, so structure, this is a name, this is nothing but structure name is what? Student. So like this, all the data types are stored in adjacent memory locations. Okay, and this is about a structure. So this is definition only, but when I'm coming to the structure part, I'll discuss in depth. Next, I'm going to talk about a union. Union is also collection of different data types variables, but unlike structures, all members share the same memory location. A union shares the same memory for all the members. Only one value is valid at a time. So this everything I'll explain through a program. So this is a union program, right? So this is a union program. So union is a keyword. Okay, na? Data is a union name. So int I, okay, na? Float f and character c. Okay, generally, okay, na? So what is that? Union shares a common memory, right? Union, unlike structure, all members share the same memory location in the union. For example, look here. So integer takes 2 bytes of data. I is a variable, so 2 bytes of data has been allocated to it. And float, so f is a float and 4 bytes of data allocated to it. And whereas c is a character, only 1 byte has been allocated. See that? So union takes maximum memory. Which variable takes maximum memory? So total, okay, na? All that values, variable values is going to place this, share the same memory location. This is 4 bytes only. Okay, na? Like, so which is the largest memory location? Here float is f, no? It is the largest memory location. This variable takes largest memory location. So all the variables are stored here. Okay, so this is nothing but single memory location, not separate memory location. Whereas structure stores separate. Okay, na? So int, right? For example, float, character, string. So separate memory location, but here everything will be stored in the single memory location. And meanwhile, one more important point, union can hold one value at a time. Union can hold one value at a time. So in this large memory location, which stores more memory, so largest memory, right? In this largest memory, so first I value is stored. After that, this will be erased, and when you are allocating the float, so float value is stored. After that, it will be allocated and sorry, updated by the character C. Okay, now like, so single largest memory is shared by all the integer, float, and character one after another. But at a time, only one value. Either I can store only integer value, or if I'm updating the float value, this can be into value updated by the float value. When I'm declaring the character, means this okay now, this memory will be replaced by the character value. But among three, right, among three, so maximum largest value, who is taking largest value, F. So everything will be updated in the 4 bytes, so one after another. Next, typedef. This keyword is used to define new names alias for the existing data types. Okay, it simplifies the complex declarations. So let me explain through a program. Okay, ash include stdio.h typedef. This is the keyword I'm writing here. This is the keyword, and int is the data type. My int is I'm declaring, sir, I'm redefining. Okay, now what is the typedef? So redefining, so to the existing data type. What is existing data type here? Integer. Okay, now so int my int, right? Int my int. So this my int I'm declaring as a integer data type. Okay, na? So it is not a variable, right? It is not a variable. It is also data type, but alias of this int. Okay, na? Right. So we can give another any name, not only my name, my int. We can give any name. So, but I should write, if I want to declare this one as a data type, but I should write typedef, right? I should write typedef, and existing data type and new data type. Okay, na? Right. So like that, my int, very clear, my int is acting as an integer data type only. Wherever you're writing my int, it is a, by default it will be acting as a integer data type. So that, look at here, so my int a equal to 10, b equal to 20. Generally we are going to write int a equal to 10 and b equal to 20, but here, so my int, right, my int is acting as an integer data type, because I declared my int as a integer existing data type. Anyhow, so like wherever there is a my int is there, it is acting as an integer variable only. So this is the basic definition. So I'll discuss in depth when I'm discussing this topic separately. Another data type is the enum data type. Enum means enumeration. Okay, na? Used to declare a set of named together constant to strings. Very clear. Used to declare a set of named integers constant to the string. Okay, na? For example, so I'll explain the program. It helps assign names to integral string for better code readability. For example, look at here. Enum is a keyword here. Enum is a keyword, and week is a enum name, and Monday is a string, Wednesday is a string, Thursday is a string. Okay, now what is the definition? Enum allocates integer constant to the named strings, right? Integer constant, nothing but, so by default 0 will be assigned to the Monday, right? So after that, so already I'm assigning 10 to the Tuesday, so it is integer constant I'm assigned to the, right, string name. And Wednesday, right, after here I assign Tuesday 10, no, automatically Wednesday will become 11, Thursday will become 12. So adjacent string will be, so that number will be plus 1 to the previous string. Okay, right. I repeat again, enum is a data type, so week is a name of the enumeration, and so here we have Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday are the named strings, and our enum is a keyword which allocates by default, nothing is assigned here, no, by default 0. So it assigns integer constant to the Monday, and here I declare 10, no, so 10 is integer constant, I am assigning the Tuesday string, and I did not mention anything, means previous string is 10, no, it will become automatically plus 1 11 and plus 1 12. Same thing, Monday 0, Tuesday 10, Wednesday 11, Thursday 12. For example, I am declaring like this, enum week or month. So this is a username, you can give any name. So Monday equal to 10, and Tuesday I'm not writing anything, just I'm declaring, and Thursday equal to 50, and I'm not writing anything Friday. So this is nothing but like this. So by default Monday will be assigned 10, automatically Tuesday will become 11. So Thursday 10 11, Thursday 50 already assigned, but Friday I did not assign any value to it, no, it will become 51. So like this. So this is a basic definition. Once I'm coming to the enum enumeration data type, I'll discuss in depth. So thanks for watching. So in this video I gave definitions. So when I'm coming to the particular topic, so I'll go in depth along with the program. Please subscribe, share and like it. Thanks very much. Thank you very much. Thanks for watching my video.